Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my cooking show. Today we will be cooking a burger. All right, what you're gonna need is some patties. So that's step one. Step one, get patties. All right, thank you. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the previous frame. All right, here we are in the patty world. Hopefully we find a patty here. Wow, would you look at that? We just found one. Alright, now that we found our patty, the next step is to cook it. So how are we gonna cook it? We're going to use fucking emojis. We're going to use emojis. Alright, now we just gotta wait for that. Next up, get the buns. And the only way to get the buns is by discombobulating. Alright, now that I've discombobulated, we can finally get our buns. And if you haven't noticed already, I'm in constant pain. So let's go back to normal. Alright, next step is to get the toppings. Cause I think that's what they are. Oh, god damn! Our burger! It's burnt! Ooh, you really got me riled up now! But don't worry, we can fix it. So all we're gonna do is just like go back in time. Oh, wait, we're going back a little too far. Okay, it might turn back into a cow. Oh god, what do we do? Fuck, what? No. Oh god! Oh god! This is not what I wanted! We have to go forward in time! Alright. This is good enough. And we still have our button. So we're good. Alright, what's next? We need lettuce and tomato. So, how we're gonna get the tomato? Well, first you're gonna need to draw the number 2. And then, magically, you get a tomato. See, I'm funny. Alright, next step, lettuce, circle. Alright, we got our lettuce. I think we can make the burger now. Wait, we're missing the cheese! We missed the cheese, god damn it. Alright, we got the cheese, we got the lettuce, we got the tomato, we got the... Wait, we need onions! 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 We need the fucking onions! So we got to go into the onion verse. All right, to the onion verse. We're in the onion verse. Or space, I can't tell. And would you look at that? We just found some onions. All right, so we got our onion. So now that we got our onion, finally, I think we can start. We need ketchup and mustard, because people like that on their burger. And pickles. We need pickles too. So all we're gonna do is just mess around with the hue, and wow, we got our pickles. We're gonna need 3 exactly. If you have 3.5, it will mess up the burger. So make sure you don't have 3.5. I'm Tiny Johnson, and I'm gonna mess up his burger. I'm gonna mess up his burger. Yeah, I'm gonna mess up his burger because I'm Tiny Johnson. All right, next up is the ketchup and mustard. But this is really easy. All you gotta do is clone the tomato, because, you know, it's a tomato. And now you have your tomato and your ketchup. Which has 2 on it, because it's tomato. And next up is the mustard. We gotta go get the mustard from my favorite company. Wait, let me just put the pickles aside first. From my favorite company. Let's go there now. Here we are, folks. The Blue Doo Company. Oh, yes, I'd like some mustard. Thanks. Alright, so we got our mustard. Which, for some reason, is blue. Mustard isn't supposed to be that color last time I checked. Oh well, at least we have all our ingredients. But we forgot the bottom bun, so we're just gonna multiply our first bun. Alright, time to make the burger. This is gonna be the best burger ever. They said we should actually make the bottom bun good. No, not blue. Because I already got the mustard from the Blue Doo Company. Wait, am I recording this with microphone? Okay, good. Good. I thought I screwed something up for a second. Alright, so how we're gonna make the burger? We're gonna start off with like the patty first? No. We're gonna start off with the tomato. I'm gonna put the tomato, then the onion, then the lettuce, and then we're gonna need to add our pickles. And of course, our cheese. This is like the thinnest slice of cheese you'll ever get. Oh, would you look at that? Our burger is finished cooking. So we're just gonna take this and put it on. Just gonna put it on. And of course, we need some condiments. Yeah, last time I checked, I don't think it was that color. Oh well, at least we got a delicious burger. You and your family could eat this. I could eat this. But I don't know if I should. You know, I might eat it. Alright, we got our burger, and let's get to eating. Oh God. How many pickles were there? 3.5! No! 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 Alright, so I've become an incomprehensible mess. Thank you. Have a holly jolly Christmas.